Okay, welcome back, students.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Okay, ready for discussion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Yes,
You have the screen. Those who have not done, listen. Those who were not there in the previous period, you will do it. I have shared a worksheet in the class group.
Thank you, Sheesh.
See, this is the one. Okay. Now, let's come on to these fill-ups. The dash is the only planet where water is found in liquid form. Which is the only
Ma'am,
planet?
Earth. Ma'am, Earth.
Earth.
Everyone has written Earth. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ocean, seas, rivers, etc. are called dash.
Ma'am, water bodies.
Very good. Water body. Ocean and sea water is dash.
Ma'am, salty.
Salty.
Everyone
Ma'am,
has
salt.
salty.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
A river is a body of dash water.
Ma'am, fresh flowing water.
Fresh flowing water. Fresh water.
Ma'am, fresh flowing water.
Ma'am, fresh water.
Fresh, not fresh water. Fresh flowing water.
Yes, ma'am, I have written fresh flowing water.
Very good.
Fresh water.
The two types of rivers are dash and dash.
Ma'am, snow-fed river and rain-fed river.
River and river.
A dash is a body of water surrounded by land on all sides.
Ma'am, lake.
Lake. It is
Lake.
very good. It is a lake. There are dash oceans in the world.
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, five.
There are 5 oceans in the world. Very good. Then
Mummy.
a dash is connected. Beta, mute. Everybody, please mute yourself. A dash is connected to an ocean or a sea formed by inlet of land.
Ma'am, bay.
Ma'am, bay. Ma'am, bay.
Bay. Very good. Children are saying, ma'am, start the meeting. The meeting is already started on the class group.
Can we play a game, ma'am? For many days we not
Who is
played,
saying,
ma'am.
can we? Who is saying, can we play a game?
Ma'am, Manas.
Manas, beta, let's just discuss the worksheet now. You don't want to discuss the worksheet? A straight is a dash. A straight is a dash of sea that joins two expanses of water. A straight.
Narrow channel.
Narrow channel.
Ma'am, a narrow channel.
Very good.
Ma'am, please tell me eighth one.
Eighth one is
Ma'am, what
bay.
is-
Bay, beta, bay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of narrow channel?
Narrow channel means channel stands for something that joins two things. So it is a narrow channel of sea. Strait is a narrow sea that joins two larger seas or larger oceans.
The Gulf Strait is located
Then the Park Strait is located between dash and dash.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka.
Very good. Between Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. Very nice. So here we are done with this worksheet. Now what we will do, we are going to play a game.
Ma'am, jam.
No, ma'am.
Not jam.
Another thing.
We play a guessing game.
Yes, we play. Just wait just a minute. Let me just find out where that game is.
And which game?
Wait now, let me share. Okay, see, here it is. Now what you'll do is you're going to find out these words in the grid given. Let me see who is the fastest to do it. The words are given.
What?
See, these words are given here in the block. 12 words are given, okay? And you have to find these 12 words in this grid. I will send the game. Listen, beta, I'll send the game on the class group also so that you can do it clearly.
Ma'am, you send on WhatsApp and we will go on gallery and we will do that and then we will send on WhatsApp.
Yes, 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 you can do that.
Ma'am, but I am not able to do the coloring. Ma'am, means blocks. Ma'am, I'm not able to do this.
You're not able to do this. So you can just write down in which line, which row the word is. Yes, Shirsh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I find the words and write in my rough notebook and then
Yes,
click a
yes.
photo and then send you?
Yes, but you have to tell. The words are given in the block, you have to tell. Like suppose chance. Chance is in which direction? Vertical direction, horizontal. You will write horizontal, second line, fifth alphabet. Okay, like that. Yes, Pratyaksh, your idea is also fine. You can find it like that. You can find the words as you feel comfortable. Okay. I'm not giving you any particular thing that you have to do this way only. If whatever, however you feel comfortable, find it. Your time starts now, 8:21. Tick, tick, one. And please, everyone, mute yourself. Who is this? Rishabh Kumar, beta, what is this?
Ma'am, till now I only find one word.
Oh, no problem. Take your time.
Ma'am, I have find 5 words.
Very good. Good going.
Oh, yeah. Ma'am, I find 2 words.
Okay, beta, don't speak. Keep finding. Yes, children, how many words?
Ma'am, I have find 7 words.
Very good. 5
Ma'am,
left.
ma'am, 6 words.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, 7 words.
Good going.
So, ma'am, column is straight or row?
See, you can call horizontal and vertical. Okay, you understand what is vertical? Vertical is standing, horizontal is sleeping.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Horizontal, fourth line, vertical, fifth line, like that.
So,
Say
ma'am, don't write row and column.
don't get confused in row and column. Columns are vertical, rows are horizontal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, columns are horizontal and rows are vertical.
Columns. Beta, what are columns? Columns are standing lines. And rows are what? Like we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, rows in a cinema hall. They are not columns, they are rows. Yes? And columns are what? Stand.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done Harsh Patel.
Very good, very nice. You've done it on your own, beta, or you've taken help from anyone in your house?
Then no, I have done by
On my
own.
own. On my own.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, hurry up. I have one more game to play. If you're not finding, if you're not being able to find, then let me know. Let's just discuss and move on to the next game.
Ma'am, I can't find wind and
Wind. Okay, I will help you out with wind. Where is wind?
Ma'am, I found. Ma'am, I found.
Very good.
All.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I have found
And
7.
Yuvraj, along with wind, which other word are you not being able to find?
Ma'am, report.
Report. Okay, report is vertically placed in the last column. Just find out.
Ma'am, which?
What are columns? Columns are standing lines, right? And in the last column, it is placed there. Now try to find out. I have given you a hint.
Okay, ma'am, I find.
And wind is also placed vertically only in the grid in the last 4th column.
Ma'am, I have found the Shav Kumar in group. Ma'am, I find all the word.
Very nice. Very good. Anyone else who needs any help?
Ma'am, I not find wind.
Wind. Okay, wind is better. See here.
Ma'am, I help.
Huh?
Ma'am, I know where is wind.
You know where is wind. Okay, let me show where wind is. It is here. See, here it is.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Raj? And
Yes, ma'am.
able to find which word now? Tell me who is not able to find which word? Anyone in the class?
Ma'am, report.
Report is here. See. Then where is school? School is here.
Please see my Pratyaksh.
Very good, Pratyaksh. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have not sent till now.
See mine. You are saying see mine. That means you have completed.
Ma'am, whole.
So I'm praising you that you have done all. You've completed or not?
Ma'am, sunshine. Yes, ma'am, I have on WhatsApp. Please check. Ma'am, whole. Ma'am,
I found 8 words.
You have found 8. Okay, which 4 words are left? Shish, which 4 words are left? Tell me.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
My also. Ma'am, please see my also.
Who is showing? Stuti.
Ma'am, please tell me whole.
What?
Ma'am,
Hail. It's Hail. H-A-I-L. Okay, children, where is Hail? Yes. Pratyaksh. Chalo, undo it, Pratyaksh, beta. Remove your pen from there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please see my also. I have sent in WhatsApp group.
Okay, beta. I will see. Have you found all the words, Stuti?
Ma'am, can I tell better? Ma'am, please.
Okay, tell me where is the word rain? Have you found
Ma'am,
it?
can I tell Pratyaksh?
Yes, yes, tell. All of you can tell.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in last row.
Yes.
Ma'am, this.
Very good. Okay, now remove Dhruv and Pratyaksh. Remove your pens.
Ma'am,
Undo that. Okay, next
Ma'am.
word is left. Rain is rain. I have done. Okay. Hot. Where is hot is also done. Report is also done. Snow. Okay, where is snow, children? Here it is. Snow. Then where is drop?
ma'am, please tell.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
please tell.
Ma'am, this.
Very nice. Very good. And then where is any word left? Cool. Cool is done. Cold is left. No, cold is also done. Chance. Where is chance?
Ma'am, what is left? Ma'am, weather.
Weather and chance is left. 2 words are left. Yes. Very good. Pratyaksh has shown chance also here. Ow. Okay, Pratyaksh, better remove your pen from there. Oh, what is happening? Chance, and then which word? Weather is here.
Weather.
Very good. Now, all words done?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
writing.
Now, next game is even more interesting. It is related to all your school things. Like you study in school, you come to school. Yes. All words
Ma'am,
related to your
I also
classroom.
I have done all the work.
Very good, Stuti. Very nice. Now, next, what you have to do, you have to unjumble the words. First, stop share. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the next word?
Yes, beta, yes, I'm showing you. Just wait. Oof. Only 10 minutes are left, 10-15 minutes, not much time is left. Try to find out all these words in these 10 minutes. Okay? I'll send on the class group because it is not clear over here.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this?
See, you have to unjumble the words. Spellings are written in a jumbled way. Like the first word is P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So you have to find out all the words.
Ma'am, in copy we have write.
Yes, you can write it on the rough page anywhere.
Ma'am, can we doodle?
Can we do what? See, I have found.
Ma'am, can we write?
I have sent
Ma'am,
the class group.
like jumbled word, ma'am, we have write this also and
No. Beta, don't write anything. Just put number and start finding the words. Try to solve the words.
Ma'am, I am here. Oh my God. Ma'am, first we have write the head in jumbled words. Then
No, beta, no. You are just playing a game. You don't have to write any heading. Try to solve these words as quickly as you can. No headings, nothing.
Ma'am, I could not understand second and third.
Beta, so use, apply your brain, give little time to the word. Try to make it in different ways. Don't give up so soon. Don't say, ma'am, I can't do. You can do. Definitely you can do. Yes, Yuvraj, say.
Ma'am, I have done second and third.
Okay, do all and then tell me. Don't speak in between. Try to do all.
Ma'am, in fifth one, what is written?
Fifth one, it is written double T S E. Double T S E.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell me the fourth one?
Beta, the fourth one, okay, I'll give you a hint. Fourth one starts with D, alphabet D, and the beginning is D-I-C. Okay, now try to solve it.
The third one starts for.
The third one starts with C-H.
Ma'am, this I don't know. Ma'am, this I don't know.
What?
I'm not able to do one. Ma'am, this one I don't able to do.
Ma'am, what is fourth one?
Beta, see, I will give you hint for everyone. Fourth one starts with D-I-C. Third one starts with C-H. Now tell for which word you want to know. All words are so easy.
Ma'am, I found the fourth one.
Very good. Very nice. Then you want which one you Raj?
Ma'am, I also found
Fourth one. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can you again give me one more? Can you again give me a hint? Again?
Hint for which word? Hint for which word?
Ma'am, I also get fourth one.
Okay, be quiet. Those who have found, be quiet. You want hint for which one, Rishabh?
Ma'am, only fourth again.
D-I-C. The beginning of the word is D-I-C.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, this is a book.
Ma'am, can you give me a hint for the sixth one?
Okay, sixth one is, okay, when you go to school, what you get in school to do? You get something to do?
Study.
No.
Ma'am,
You study in school, but you get something in school that you complete at your place, that you come and do at your place. What is it?
Ma'am, I find. Ma'am, please give the hint of fifth one.
Fifth one, okay. Now I tell you to learn something because you have it tomorrow. Tomorrow come prepared for a dash.
Ma'am, please give a hint for ninth one.
Ninth one. All right. You come to school to learn different subjects. Who teaches you different subjects?
Ma'am, I found. Ma'am, can you give me a hint for eighth one?
Eighth one. Okay. When you have your exams, what do you do?
Ma'am, I find. Ma'am, give the hint for fifth one.
Ma'am, give a hint for
fifth one. Okay, when you you were told to learn your lessons because you have to give dash in school tomorrow.
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am, give a hint for two.
I'm giving for 10th one.
Just Yes.
Ma'am,
So the
please give
10th one, no, 10th one, I will not give any hint because it is a very easy word. Just try to do it in different ways. Try to place these alphabets differently better. This
Ma'am, give hint for second one.
second one, okay. Second one, when you come to school, where do you sit? Where do you write? How do you do your work?
Ma'am, what will please give the hint of seventh one?
Seventh one is also very easy, no hint required. Try to place these alphabets in different places. Like it is written TYSDU. Now make it different. Make it SUDTY. You will frame it better. You will find the word. Whenever you solve these jumbled words, just try to place these alphabets in different places.
I'm not able to do the 10th one.
Ma'am, can you give me?
10th one, okay. 10th one starts with CR. That's all I can tell.
Ma'am, I find. Ma'am, what one can you give the hint of 12th one?
Okay, 12th is a little difficult. See, one hint I can tell you for the words where ing is written. See, it has I also, it has N also, it has G also. So we always try to place ing in the end. Okay? Because we find we do words like dancing, eating, singing. Okay? So these kind of words are formed. Now place ing in the end and then see if you can do it.
Ma'am, I can find.
Very good. Very nice.
And can you give another hint for the 10th one?
10th one, CR. I told CR in the beginning.
No, ma'am, another one.
Another hint. Okay, you use it in your diagrams. That's all. You use
Ma'am, the
it
class
in your diagrams.
Please tell the 11th one.
11th one. What are you all? What are all of you? All the people who come to school, all children who come to school are called dash. The one who teaches is called a teacher. The one who studies is called a
Student.
yes, student only.
Give the hint for 13th one.
Now place ing in the end. It is very simple. You do not need any hint. I told you, I gave you a tip. The trick is to place ing in the end.
Ma'am, I understand.